Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a typical morning cleaning routine in my home. It's about 8:30 right now. I had just gotten my older three onto the bus and the babies are eating breakfast. During this time, I like to try to just power hour clean and tackle as much as I can while they're eating. That way I can kind of reset my home for the day. Generally, almost always, this starts with a load of laundry. Today I'm tackling mine and my husband's laundry, but there is always laundry to be done with a family of 7. It's honestly never ending. Next, I'm tackling our half bath. This bathroom is located right outside of our kitchen, and it's the bathroom that my older three use to brush their teeth and get ready for school in the morning. That way they're not going all over the house up and down trying to get ready for school. So with that being said, this room gets used quite a lot early in the morning, and it always needs a quick little wipe down. I like to put some essential oils in this diffuser to try to keep the boy urine smell away, because honestly, y'all, that is a smell that any mom of a boy understands. So I like to just run that diffuser throughout the day to kind of keep that smell at a minimum, and then just go ahead and wipe down this bathroom to get it ready for our day. After the bathroom, I always tackle the kitchen. The kitchen I prefer to do when the babies are at the table eating. That way they're not trying to help / pull dishes in and out. So I try to tackle this as fast as I can while they're eating and go ahead and put the clean dishes away, put the dirty dishes into the dishwasher. You know the drill. Every mom will say that this is what they start their day with.
Girl knows about it, can't get enough. No, I can't do without you. Spending all my time thinking about you. I think I got a crush on ya. Yep, I got a crush on ya. Say goodbye to my lonely days. I'm so high, I'll do whatever it takes, yeah, to keep you by my side. No, I can't deny. Think I got a crush on ya. Yep, I got a crush on ya. The glimmer in your eyes gets me every time. It shines so bright, it leaves me blind. I could lose myself inside your mind, but I don't really mind it. Think I got a crush on ya, and every day feels brand new all over again. Crush on ya, crush on ya. Yep, I got a crush on ya. I feel like I'm in high school all over again. Crush on ya, crush on ya. Yep, I got a crush.
After my kitchen is wiped down, I kind of like to just go ahead and start a diffuser of some sort. Sometimes it's Orange by Young Living, sometimes it's Thieves, etc. I like to give my house a small scent just to start my day. It's not overpowering, but it gets the job done.
The glimmer in your eyes gets me every time. Every time. Shines so bright, it leaves me blind. I could lose myself inside your mind, but your heart is where I find it. Think I got a rush on ya, and every day feels brand new all over again. On ya, crush on ya. Yep, I got a rush on ya. I feel like I'm in high school all over again.
Now it's fish feeding time. Davis loves to help me feed this fish. This is actually Paxton's fish, but 9 times out of 10, Davis feeds it in the morning. He loves to feed it and then watch the fish attack the food, so that's what's happening there. Now I'm moving into my living room. This is right outside my kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and get Grant changed for the day and then tackle the small mess that is in here.
Kind of love could happen. Oh, we took a chance on us. Yep, I got a rush on ya. Crush on ya. Think I got a rush on ya. I got a. And every day feels brand new all over again. Rush on you. Yeah. Rush on ya. Yep, I got a rush on ya. Feel like I'm in high school all over again. On ya.
So this is a mom hack for you. Have a cute basket in your main living space to hold the random toys that your kids bring in there. Cover it with a blanket, use it as a piece of decor, and call it done.
On ya. Yep, I got a crush on ya. Feeling like I'm in high school all over again. Crush on ya. Crush on ya. Yep, I got a crush.
Just a touch and you've got my attention. Is it possible you are perfection? Now it's burning me up like a fire, and your loving is taking me higher. 'Cause all I want is you forever. Yes, all I want is you forever. When you touch me, the whole world gets a little turned upside down. You move me.
I'm now back in my kitchen to start cleaning up the breakfast mess. My 3-year-old's still eating a little bit, but I am cleaning up what I can while he finishes up.
We both know that when you touch me, I melt into you. It's burning me up like a fire, and your loving is taking me higher.
So now we are to the time in my morning cleaning routine that is not always consistent. This is actually the time where I consider it to be like the book, if you give a mouse a cookie, it's going to lead to this, this, and this. So in my case, the laundry that I needed to put away was my 3 younger boys' laundry. So that led me coming up to Paxton's room, noticing that his room was a mess, making his bed, cleaning his room, putting the laundry away, etc., etc., etc. So the rest of my cleaning routine this morning is mostly happening in my upstairs space, all because I needed to bring a hamper of laundry up to put away.
I'm melting you. I'm melting you. I'm melting you. When you touch me, the whole world gets a little turned upside down. You move me. You'll always find my hand when you're reaching out. You know that I'll be yours forever, love. So right now, baby, touch me. Yeah.
I'm now heading into the upstairs bathroom. This is the bathroom that the 3 little boys share, and honestly, this garbage had gotten dumped out. I think my dog had tried to get into it. So I'm just getting that out of there, changing out the bag, wiping down the countertop, the toilet, etc. Just getting this bathroom put back into shape to start the day. I also noticed that the rugs in here were dirty, so it's not filmed, but I went ahead and took those rugs downstairs to get those washed. Right now I have white rugs in here, and I'm thinking that's a mistake, so I am going to be on the lookout for some new rugs, I do believe. Something that's not white, because with little boys, dirty feet, those white rugs just get filthy all the time. I'm now back downstairs and I'm going to go ahead and take the trash out. That way I'm not dealing with like an overflowing trash bag all throughout the day. I don't know if anybody else's kids will just keep piling the trash in, but mine for sure will. So it's about 9:30 right now. I have been cleaning for a little over an hour and I'm just now starting to make a cup of coffee. I know that seems backwards and most people need coffee to fuel them to clean, but I honestly prefer to like knock out the cleaning and then have a cup of coffee in a fresh, clean house. And it just helps me like mentally like reset. I'm also going to go ahead and start dinner. This does not always happen in my morning cleaning routine, but on this particular day, I knew what we were going to make for dinner, and I knew that it was a crock pot meal, so I just went ahead and got that all put together and put it on low to cook throughout the day. So that's it, the cleaning is done, the boys are playing, and I'm going to take a moment to sit down, drink my cup of coffee, and read my book. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.